Welcome back, guys, to the channel. Today I got a little part for the car, a little something, you know. It's this right here, a bride boot, shift boot for the. I got this for a really good price from somebody on Facebook, and I'm gonna install it today. Easy process, you know. Every little detail matters. I think it goes very well with the car. I mean, the K-tune shift and the, you know, sorry, my fucking eyes. The fabric of the car, it just looks good. It matches. Yes, it flows good with the interior setup I have. So, you know, I'm gonna go to the gym first and then come back and install it. And let's get to it. About to replace the boot for this other boot, bride boot that I got. To do that, you take off the center console. There's one screw here and one screw on the other side, and then you take this whole thing off, and then you can reach here and then take this off. But I gotta take the thing right here off to the shifter in order to, you know, change the boot. So let's do that. Don't mind my car. It's kind of dirty. I need to vacuum it. You know, it's my daily, so it'd be dirty. Well, I totally forgot I don't have a screw over here. I need to find one, but yeah, whatever. Yep, take this off. Don't need to take this off. Oh, dang. It's kind of hard with one hand, you know, but I'm trying to get it. I mean, I got it. Take it off. I don't want to lose a screw. Alright, so we kind of need, so this next part is going to be kind of hard, so I'm going to try my best to film. I'm going to need two hands, so yeah. Well, I totally forgot. I have to take screws from the top out too. Don't mind my hair. It's kind of trashy. This came from the gym. And it's all messy. But yeah, I gotta get the screw from the glove department out, and underneath the dash there's two screws on each side on the top of the center console that you have to get before you can get to the center console itself to take it out. getting dark soon, so I gotta hurry up. Should be easy install. Alright, now it should be easier. Gotta be careful, don't want to break this shit. Take this fucking shit off. Take the wires off. There's wires for the heater, the cigarette lighter. Well, don't really need to. You just take the boot, the under one off. And I totally forgot about the screws in the middle of the freaking center here. There's 2 screws right here. Totally forgot about them, but whatever. Now I'm putting everything back, screwing everything back. There's the boot. It looks cool, it looks alright. I'm happy with it. Better than stock. Don't really mind that from the stock one over there. Yeah, can't wait till I'm done with this build. Oh, shit. Well, you're never really ever done with a build. There's always new shit you could put on. But hopefully I can get my mats soon. I regretted selling my old set. Bought them for $400, man. $450 plus shipping. They're so fucking mint. I so regretted them. Came in a Honda box and everything. EF9 floor mats. But now I gotta be stuck with these whack ass, stock ass side floor mats. Dirty. We'll come back up. Alright. Almost about done. It's getting kind of dark right now, so bear with me. But, alright. Alright, that's good. Cool, you know, it's better than stock, better than this one for sure. I mean, it's kind of loose because it's kind of big, but you know, it is what it is. I like it, so that matters. Alright, pretty much wraps it up for today's video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.